Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about work, energy and power. What is work? The work which can be defined as it is the product of force into displacement. Force into displacement. There are three types of works. One is positive work. Second one is negative work. Third one is zero work. Now here we are going to discuss about individually. At first we are going to discuss about positive work. Consider if force is applied, the object moves along the direction of applied force, then work is said to be positive work. Now go for the diagram. Take an object, force is in this direction, as a result displacement is also in this direction, that is S also in the same direction. Therefore W is equal to F into S, that is called positive work. Now point number 2, negative work. If force applied on a body if a force applied on a body, then the body displaced against to the applied force. Such a work is said to be negative work, negative work. Now consider it is a body, force is applied in this direction, then the displacement acquired by the body in this direction. Therefore, W is equal to F into minus S, that is equal to minus Fs. W is equal to F into minus S, that is equal to minus Fs. Therefore, work is equal to negative work. Now we are going to discuss about zero work. If now zero work, if force applied on a body, then the displacement becomes zero. Such a work we called as zero work. Example, take a body, force is applied in this direction, therefore the displacement S is equal to 0. Therefore, W is equal to F into 0, that is equal to 0. Now, an important example for zero work. That is, take a coolie, he is carrying a weight on his head and he moved from point A to point B in this direction. This is displacement. Now the coolie is at a point B. Initially its position is A. Now his point is at B. Where is the force? The force is this one, downward direction, that also called as W, that means weight. Now tell me, here force downward direction, displacement perpendicular to displacement horizontal direction. Therefore, this is the force, this is the displacement. Now the angle is 90 degrees between these two. The formula W is equal to Fs cos theta. Since theta is equal to 90 degrees, therefore W is equal to F S cos 90 degrees. W is equal to Fs cos 90 0. Therefore W is equal to 0. Therefore work done by coolie is 0. This is also called zero work. Like this, there are three types of the works. Like this, there are three types of the works: positive work, negative work, zero work. First, we are going for a revision. Work can be defined as it is the product of force and displacement. There are three types of the works: positive work, negative work, zero work. Positive work means if a force is applied on a body, the displacement acquired by the object is along the direction of applied force. Then the resultant work we called as positive work. Point number 2, negative work. If a force is applied on a body, then the body acquires a displacement opposite to the applied force. Such a work we called as negative work. If a force applied on a body, then the displacement is 0, or the displacement makes an angle 90 degrees with the applied force. Such a work or the resultant work we called as zero work. In this video, we discussed what is the work, what is type of the works, positive work, negative work and zero work. These 4 points are important. Please go through it. Thank you very much for watching this video.